You guys, I just went through McDonald's for a quickie lunch, and guess what they've got? Spicy chicken nugs. Ah, you know I had to try some. They come with mighty hot sauce. And they said they're not already rolled in sauce. They have a spicy breading. It's probably loud out here with the automobiles. Guess I need to roll my windows up. Turn on some air. It's a beautiful day here. Okay. Hot fries. Let's try some of these spicy chicken nuggets. I couldn't believe it when I saw it. My go-to meal here at McDonald's, which I went ahead and got, is the 2 cheeseburgers and french fries meal. It's my favorite. It's what I get 90% of the time. But I love McDonald's. I love just about everything McDonald's has. What's y'all's favorite McDonald's dish? 10 spicy chicken nuggets. It's about time, Mickey D's. What were you waiting for, yo? They are orange. You can tell they've got the spicy breading. So we'll try it first without the mighty hot sauce dip, and then we'll try it. It smells kind of like French onion dressing. You know what I mean? The red one, the red stuff. All right, let's try it without first. Let's see if there's any heat whatsoever. There is a little bit, okay? It's like an afterthought. Probably about as spicy as their spicy chicken sandwich. I do feel a little heat. They taste good, of course. All right, now I'm gonna dip some in this mighty hot sauce. The mighty hot sauce is mighty hot. The mighty hot sauce is mighty hot. Like a sweet hot too. It's sweet. They gave me unsweet tea. They gave me unsweet tea, y'all. Oh, hell no. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know if I like the taste of the mighty hot sauce. I like the heat of it. I don't like the sweet of it. I don't know why it's sweet. Okay. It is spicy though. I give it a 4 out of 5 on the spice level of the hot sauce. The nuggies themselves are probably 2 out of 5. All right, I gotta get back to this drive-thru and get my sweet tea, because that's a hell no to that. All right, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you tonight. I had the freaking hiccups. I'll see you tonight because I got some 2 unboxings to do. You'll see them. Bye, guys. See you at the next one.